All right.
This is our bike ride around our neighborhood. So, you want to go this way?
Yeah, go this way.
It's awesome. Oh, your kickstand's still up. Is mine still up? I think mine's off. Sure. Oh, it's so beautiful out here. Do we just Ow. This is so awesome. I don't know how to react to this. I just do it. I don't know. Oh. I feel like it's gonna fall. It's secure on there? Awesome. I can see it in the shadow too. Oh, a snail! Oh crap! You just ran over a snail. How does it look? Does it look? This is like snail season. There's tons of snails. Remember when I was little, I used to always love to step on snails. And now, today, I think, wow, what was I thinking? I killed thousands of snails in this season. I didn't know that it was bad though. I just stepped on it because it felt good. Well, it didn't feel good. It's just like the sound of it crunching just made like it just kind of. Oh, let's get out of the way, snails! Don't just sit in the middle of the road like that. I call this a road. It's called a sidewalk. Ew, piece of poop. It's a big dookie. It must have been like a German Shepherd or something. Something big. Oh, there's snails everywhere. Is that a piece of poop? No, it's a leaf. It's a leaf. I think I'm wearing glasses. One hand. Are you right behind me? Oh yeah, dodge a leaf. So many things around in the world. Cherry trees, yay. Cherries. Okay, when do we cross the street? Like now or?
I'll tell you. Yeah, go ahead.
Ooh, he's ahead. Oh, leaf coming down. Yeah, side by side. Huh? What's wrong? Oh, your seat got messed up?
Kind of low.
Oh. Yeah, if it's higher, you can go faster. I learned. I don't think mine has like an adjuster. I think I have to like unscrew it and adjust it. So I can't adjust mine. Is it good now? Is it tight on there? I don't want you to like fall an inch. Let me switch gears. There we go, easier. Oh, lost the pedals for a second. Yeah, let's test the 3. 2, 4, 5, 6. What is this paper? You litterers. That might be like a lost dog paper. Or someone's home. That's a Nerf dart. Whoa. So cool. Hey, they got a new fence. Finally. Finally let go of that old beat up fence. Ugh. Dad, do we go forward still?
Huh?
Do we just keep going forward?
Yeah, hold on.
Okay.
I'll tell you. Alright, let's go.
Woo! We made it. Oh. Eggs ahead. How was he ahead? One hand. Oh yeah. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. I am a boss. Itch my back. Okay, we're going forward. We're not going the way that I think we're going. Or the way that I thought we were going. Look at me. I'm ready with a GoPro. Let's run through the grass. Watch out, Dad. I'm gonna totally jump it. Wait. Oh no! Freshly cut grass. Yeah. Oh, it's a huge mark in the grass. Cruising. Okay, let's not do that. Let's not do that this time. That grass part's a little longer than the last one. I smell barbecue. Oh, charcoal. Somebody's barbecuing. Fixing your seat again? It's a little low. Sweet aroma of flowers. Just through the air. Hey, cruise. Chilling. Oh yeah, downhill. Cruising. Good, keep going. Oh, ow. Don't. That's a weird sprinkler. Interesting sprinkler. It's a cool sprinkler though. I just saw a frame of an old washing machine. Huh. Dang, Dad's way ahead of me. I'm coming. Axiom. That's a cool name for a car. Axiom. Axiom. It's like a scientist's name. Woo. I'll be in my bed. Okay. Who the heck is yelling? We're messing up the quiet bike ride. Hey, BCS! BCS! What the heck? BCS! What BCS lives near us? My head itches. Dumb helmet. You idiot. They should make like a helmet where you can like scratch your head at the same time. Like you could it's like not like it's hard, but then it's like a soft kind of plastic, so you can like get your head or something like that. Oh, that air just blew in my face. Good thing I was wearing glasses. That would have went in my eyes. Yeah, we're back home. I'm gonna like go get Come on. Bring it on. Yeah. Okay. Awesome. That was our bike ride. Hi, YouTube.